Hi again! In this video, we'll show you how to manually import your energy profiles Excel file. Depending on your analysis interval chosen at the project info page, your energy profiles time series data must be in the same interval. The first three columns represent the whole building energy consumption profiles for electricity, natural gas, and fuel oil. The following three columns specifically represent the space cooling, space heating, and domestic hot water energy consumption profiles. If we only have the electricity and space heating profiles available, we can just have zeros for the rest of the columns. In this example, we are choosing a single-year time series for all 6 energy profiles, which ends up being 35,041 rows, including the titles row, which must be there. If the energy profiles you are importing are actual metered data points from your target building, then you must enter the modeling reference year for it. If the modeling reference year was a leap year, like year 2020, then your energy profiles Excel file must have an extra day worth of observations, which ends up being 35,137 rows. If we were using method 2 for estimating the energy profiles, then we must have at least 2 years worth of data. For example, if we have 3 years of hourly data from 2017 till 2019, that would be 26,280 observations for each profile type. Notice that from 2017 to 2019, there isn't a leap year in between. That's why we came up with 8,760 hours per year times 3 years equals 26,280 observations. We can import up to 10 years of historical data in 15 minutes interval. After we import the profiles, we can then choose the units that each profile values are in from the drop-down list, next to each profile type. We can also choose method 4 and scale the imported reference profile monthly energy consumptions to be equal to the actual building monthly energy consumptions. Your row units must match exactly one of the units listed on the screen. You can find the complete list in the user manual. Just format your monthly consumption Excel file in the format shown and choose the appropriate units for each row. Then import it into CogenS and click the Calculate button. That's it. See you in the next video.